When I'm in Acholi land, my name is Ogeng Lapien. Brothers and sisters, I'm going to use very few minutes today. But I've come to deliver a very important message to you. But before I go any further, I must also let you know that I'm running to be the next president of Uganda. And I am here to ask for your support and blessing so that we can together take Uganda forward. I know I'm talking to relatively young people. Majority of you might not understand what happened 40 years ago.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.